Here at Compass Cay, which is famous for Rachel's bubble baths and the nurse sharks that are pretty much hanging out all the time in the marina. So we're gonna go check in and then we'll go from there.
It used to be that there were only 2 people living on Compass Cay, and one of them was Hester. So Hester's house still stands today. Sort of.
Explain where we are.
So we decided to go on the hike to Rachel's bubble bath. And we're not being let down. I mean, this Compass Cay is absolutely beautiful. It's wild and there's this kind of crude path through it to the baths, and it's really amazing.
The hike to Rachel's bubble bath is called the Northern Cliff Hike, and you can see why. We were walking on the cliffs of Compass Cay and it was absolutely beautiful. It was a 2-mile hike in the absolute heat of the day, so that was a bit rough, but we made it and it was fabulous. Well worth it. We really enjoyed Rachel's bubble bath. It did not let us down, and it just so happened that the date was June 4th, which was our 2nd anniversary.
Oh!
No, that's exactly either sea hare or sea slug with 2 names for it.
Wow. Hi, little guy. I'll name you Phil.
Yeah, just peel this open.
This doesn't hurt him?
It opens up. I don't hurt him when you do it.
I'm not.
That's the shell here.
Oh, wow. Okay. Hey, you want to hold him?
You can put him in the water and he'll
Yeah, but it feels cool.
put him in the water. He opens up his thing. So they can actually swim.
Oh, God.
You know, you have like 5 sharks swimming behind you. That's
Oh! Hi! Look at the big one.
yeah.
We had accomplished so much in the course of that day, and we were exhausted. But we couldn't end the day without going to the rocky Dundas Caves. It simply wasn't an option, and you'll see why. The caves were so beautiful that I risked carrying my camera into them in a dry bag. So it was a bit of a challenge getting it from cave to cave, but I think it was well worth it.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
And if you'd like to follow our journey in real time on a map, receive postcards from our ports of call, and message us directly to the boat, you can go ahead and become a patron using the link in the description down below.